Solid team communication on set with HOLLYLAND Solidcom C1. Let's go. Solidcom C1 allows one master headset to communicate with up to 8 slave headsets. Perfect for mid-sized productions, events, concerts, streaming with multiple cameras, and more. Today we're having a look at Solidcom C1-2S kit. One master and one slave headset. So first let's get the specs out of the way. It has a range of 1000 feet or 300 meters in the line of sight. DECT standard 6.0 for stability and security. The frequency response of 150 Hz to 7 kHz. Recharge time for batteries is 2.5 hours. The battery life of the slave headset is 10 hours. The battery life of master headset is 5 hours with 5 slave headsets connected and 8 hours if you only connect one. And this system does work on 1.9 GHz frequency. So now let's have a look at the kit. At first we get a pretty nice hard shell case, which fits all of the accessories and both master and slave headsets. And as you can see guys, the kit is pretty rich. So you get 2 pouches for each headset, for master and for slave. We like the quality of those ones. Here are the headsets themselves. They're very comfortable and as you can see they have a lot of flexibility. So they can easily and snugly fit to almost any head. You can adjust the microphone position to mute the microphone or to make it work. And the headset is suitable for using with your left or with your right ear. On the side you have the control buttons like volume up and down, and on the bottom you can see the on-off switch. The ear pads are soft and very comfortable. Here is the place for the battery and you can easily change it in a matter of seconds. And the pad on the other side is also just perfect. Here you have a little pop filter and also you can adjust the microphone in almost any position. The master headset is with the red text and the slave headset is with the blue. In the kit you'll also find an over-the-ear earpiece, which is great because if you want some more noise cancellation you can use this one. And they can be easily changed and swapped, so you can pick whatever is more suitable for you. I do prefer a bigger one. In the kit you'll find additional pop filters and ear pads, a nice touch, and also the additional pads that hold the headset on your head. And basically you do get one more extra piece for every single accessory in this kit. The battery charger can fit all 4 batteries, which is really convenient, and it charges via USB Type-C, and the batteries themselves are super tiny. And you do even get some stickers for your master and slave headsets. So in total you can have up to 9 headsets, 1 master and 8 slaves, but this kit is not that cheap as you can see right here. The price of the kit that I'm reviewing right now is $400. And also there is a Pro kit which allows you to have noise cancellation. And now guys, it's time to have a range test. So guys, right now you can hear what I hear and what your second operator hears. So I've put my lavalier microphone right into the ear almost. So we have already did the range test here in the forest together with my wife.
Hi.
And actually the results were pretty good. She was right in the other side of this little forest, like 300 plus meters away. If I want, I can actually insert the Russian part of the review and you can listen how the signal drops, and I'll write some subtitles. So here it is right now.
А меня видно?
А тебя, да, немножко видно. Я думаю, здесь уже метров 80, наверное, примерно.
Да, где-то так. Но я уже, мне кажется, метров 200 я ушла.
А то и больше, да? А, вот сейчас, кстати, первое прерывание сигнала я начинаю слышать.
Да, я тоже.
Так, ну 300 метров есть у тебя там, нет? Как думаешь?
Мне кажется, нет. Сейчас еще чуть-чуть отойду.
Ага, давай. But all in all, guys, you can really rely on this system in this environment. We'll do another test indoors through the walls. So guys, right now I'm behind the camera. Here is my hand and here is my wife, and she'll be going around this huge building. It's 33 floors tall. So Katyusha, you can go right now.
Check.
Yeah, we can hear each other and you can hear how we talk. Katyusha, make some noise.
Yes.
Okay, so she's right now behind that building, and this building is pretty big, and she's going to another corner of the building right there. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
So guys, if you can work with this tall building and still hear it perfectly nice and loud and clear, I think it's more than enough of tasks for the range. So if you know why you need such a system, I think there is no better option on the market. Highly recommend it. If you did enjoy this video, smash the like and subscribe buttons. Wanna know more about a great dual wireless microphone system with built-in recording, HOLLYLAND Lark Max? Watch the next video. Take care, bye.